The Xiaomi Mi 11's ultra-sized sibling is set to be announced on March 29, nearly 3 months to the day since the standard phone was first announced, and we're expecting it to come alongside a Mi 11 Pro and Mi 11 Lite. That'll round the family out to a cheery 4 phones. We've heard a few leaks about the Xiaomi Mi 11 Ultra, but some of them seem too implausible to be true. A second screen on the back. Really? This isn't a ZTE phone. Soon, we'll know all about the Mi 11 Ultra, but until then we'll collect everything we've heard about this upcoming super phone below, so you get an idea of what to expect on March 29. There's a Xiaomi launch event scheduled for March 29, and if leaked marketing material is to be believed, the Mi 11 Ultra is one of the phones debuting there. Well, the marketing material was Chinese, and a separate but simultaneous event is happening there. So maybe the phone will be shown off, but only launched in China. We've no idea on the price, but it'll likely cost a lot, as our description of the phone as super premium no doubt suggested. Expect to see a price that's equivalent to over $1,000/£800 or $1,300 at the very least.